Welcome to Tech Traveler Hub. Today I am going to unbox Lexar NM620 M.2 SSD. NM620 M.2 2280 PCIe generation 3x4 Nvme SSD. Okay, up to 3500 megabyte per second read speed. Okay, Nvme Express 512GB M.2 620. Okay, next level performance for professionals and gamers. Leverages PCIe generation 3x4 Nvme 1.4 technology standard. Reduces power consumption for smooth system operation. Lexar solid state drive. Okay, this is what they are advertising. Up to 3500 megabyte per second read transfer. Write speeds lower, speeds based on internal testing. Actual performance may vary. Okay, viewers, this is intake packet. Now I am going to unbox it. Okay, let's open the box. This is the user manual, Lexar. Okay, and this is our NM620 M.2 SSD, Lexar NM620 Nvme SSD. Okay, we are going to install it. Okay, and let's install it. I have already installed 256GB Nvme SSD in my laptop. Now I am replacing it. This is my Asus VivoBook. Okay, let's open the laptop first. This is the inside. Okay, I have already installed verbatim 256GB Nvme SSD and extended my RAM from 4GB to 12GB. XPG 8GB AX4S RAM. Okay, now I am going to replace the SSD. Okay. I bought it about 4 years back, but this looks pretty new to comparing with this. It's also new, but it's colorful. Okay, see. Now, I have already given speed test video of verbatim Nvme SSD. Now I am replacing it with Lexar NM620 Nvme. Okay, hope it will be faster than my previous SSD. Okay, the replacing part is done. I will install new Windows, then I'll check the speed. Viewers, thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, please write it in the comment section. I will try to respond. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.